Assalamu alaikum, boys. This is Muhammad Ismail, your economics teacher. I hope you might be doing well, but unfortunately, I haven't heard from you about your MCQs, which have been discussed in the last two video lessons. This is the next one. In this one, we are going to discuss your economics paper 2, section A. And I expect that you are supposed to, or you are going to submit the reasons for that, and then according this second you can say this one, the data which we are going to discuss today. So it means it will be your second home task which you are bound to complete, but this the deadline for both the first one and the second one will be this Friday. Okay, let's start. This is based on a new city is to be built in Ghana. So it means, so we are going to talk about, you can say, Ghana as a country and then a city which is going to be constructed in Ghana. So here they are asking us in question A, question number one, part A, what evidence is there in the extract to suggest that Ghana is a developing country? So Ghana is a developing country due to evidences of an agrarian country. Then one third of the population living in poverty and increasing number of shanty or unplanned towns and rural urban migration in millions. So on the basis of these evidences which we found from the data or from the extract given, Ghana is a developing country. B part. Explain the economic reasons why some people might decide to move from rural parts of Ghana to the cities. Economic reasons behind people decision to move from rural part of Ghana to cities or the urban part of Ghana are either more employment opportunities in the big cities or higher income which can be possibly earned, or better living standards, or better healthcare and education facilities which Ghanaians can enjoy when they will move from the small cities to, or from rural areas to urban areas. Then part C, explain using the demand and supply diagram how the expected changes in population and income are likely to affect the future prices or the future price of property in the new eco city. As you know that in this question they have said the population and income. So it means both variables of population and income are non-price factors. Hence, any change in these variables will cause a shift in the demand curve. In this case, rise in population and income will cause a rightward shift in the demand, which is also called rise in demand for property by increasing prices. So we need to show it by the or with the help of demand and supply diagram. We will make demand and supply diagram, and we will show equilibrium at P naught and quantity Q naught. And then we will show a rightward shift in the demand curve, which will be D1. And then through this, we will show that at a higher price, there is more property demanded. Okay. Then there is the part D, discuss the advantages and disadvantages of building the new city to the local tribes people who are already living on the land and the economy of Ghana as a whole. The local tribes people who are already living on the land can benefit from large profits by selling land. Then employment opportunities might increase for building work in the city and living standards will improve, while there will be loss of vegetation or farmland and they may be deprived of their traditional pollution free lifestyle. I mean, the last two are disadvantages, and the first three are the advantages. The Ghanaian economy as a whole can attract foreign direct investment (FDI) from international construction companies. Employment, along with GDP, will increase, and overcrowding can be avoided with new construction, while there will be opportunity cost of financing housing, such as healthcare and education, might be foregone. There will be inflationary pressures in housing and maybe insufficient resource allocation, which will cause or which can cause fall in GDP in the long run. Okay, boys, go through this data response and try to write the answers in the light of this guidance and then send me maximum by Friday along with your first home task as well.